Watching for if it breaks the support, then it can come all the way down to the discount area. So overall, silver is bearish. Yeah, it was not able to break the support or break the resistance here. If it breaks the resistance, it would have gone to all these targets. But this is acting as a strong resistance here. Right. Last time it tried to go there, it came down. Went there, came down. Again tried to go there, again dropping. So this entry is acting as a strong resistance. So in case if it drops further, this time it may break this support and come all the way back to the discount area. 30 minutes, it is in a downtrend, right? It went all the way from 25.38. So this is our discount zone. From 25.28, it went up a little bit down, went all the way to the premium. Now again it is in a, it touched the previous day high. And for NQ also, previous day high acted as a strong resistance. It went touch the previous day high. So in a higher time frame, it is in a downtrend. So in lower time frame also, there is a high possibility for it to drop. And so I took a shot on GC. My first target is this one, 25.48 is my. If anybody don't want to take any risk, they can close and they can open after 8 o'clock, because at 8 o'clock there can be a sudden dump. There is a high possibility for a drop, but we never know. Sometimes volume also can go any side. If you don't want to take a risk, you can. But there are high power, right? Because overall your swing cloud is red, your day trading cloud is red. You have sell signal, ultimately your P1 indicator, indicator is having red line. Here also you have red line. Everything is bearish. Everything is there are more which are indicating that it will drop. It may nearly $150. Make sure you cancel the open orders. So I have one order for stop loss. And you can either click here or you can cancel these ones. And because today morning also we missed booking the profit, so I took it. So, and again, same reason as I explained. We have more confidence for the downside. So we took a shot. Beta algo is also showing that. Price pulse is also showing that. Your top trend is also showing that. Because of which we were confident and held the trade. In PL rate, if you see gold, this line was also red, completely red. This line was also red, completely in the bottom and red. So everything was red. Whereas I thought of, because generally platinum also moves in same direction, thought of taking it, but I saw that this is little bullish. This line is green, this line is green. Even though these are red, because of that I cancel the order. If it goes all the way to the top and turns red, maybe it will touch this and then it will drop again. So if it goes here, and then if we see a red candle, then platinum also can come down all the way. So, right. Again, if you practice just with top trend and price pulse also, you'll make consistent profits. Right. Yeah. It doesn't mean that you have to, because if you try too many, also you may get confused. The reason why I'm sharing different indicators is each one comes with a different logic. Each one has a different. So sometimes to check for the confluence. But yeah, if you have too many also, so that's why generally you use one or two maximum. Any two indicators, either price pulse or price pilot will help you to know whether you have buyers or sellers or what is the overall momentum, right? Overall, is it a bearish momentum or bullish momentum? And then once you see the momentum, then you can use beta and top trend to identify your targets. And you got a sell signal from the top trend, right? If the cloud is orange, everything is aligned in the same way, right? Your beta also giving targets towards the downside. And for this one, right? This is looking more bullish, right? Top trend, you have a buy signal, you have green background, you have green triangle, you have all the GGG, and then this is a green line, this is the green line above EMA 200. That is with the top trend. Beta algo also giving towards the upside. So this is the support, touch the support, and then bounced up. And then price pulse also you can see overall momentum is green. This is green. That means it is also creating fair value gap, green fair value gap. So there is a high possibility for it to go minimum touch the previous week high, or it may go all the way to the premium zone. Then I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. I'll have my target at around 6. If it goes up, I'll make 200 to $50. If it goes down, I'll lose $100 or so. Right? You can trade in your personal account or you can trade in your prop firms wherever you want. You can let me also take it in features. Order filled. See, $125. 555 to 585 is nearly $150. So I can put a stop loss there. No, target. Right? 555 to 585 is 30 points. Each point is $25. Look, another $150. Right? Again, it's the same reason. You have right, confidence. It's the buy order block, creating the fair value gap. Then T1 is giving you the green signal. Price pulse is giving the green signal. Then my beta algo. gave the confidence that if you take above this, so it put the opportunity. Top trend gave me the confidence. Your cloud is green, green background, above EMA 200. Buy signal. So yeah, in my personal account, I can hold for more time because if you see 30 minutes, right, it can go till 30, right? It came to the bottom, so it is a green and then green triangle. Your spin cloud is blue. Your day trading cloud also became green. So you have more potential for it to go. Right, morning time generally I'll be focusing more on stocks options. Right, in the evening time I can mainly focus on the futures. So it is same thing, right? You all have access to top trend, beta algo, price pulse or price pilot and T1. Just like what we did. Same thing. If you see a difference between two different, right? If price pulse is giving all green and the top trend is showing something in the red, then you avoid it. Let us look at NQ now. So this is green, but here you have red and green. There is no proper combination. Right? It is difficult to know whether it can go up. There is a high possibility because uh, your 5 minutes, all these are bearish. Your overall trend is showing bullish. It went all the way to the premium. So it may initially come to discount and then in the Europe time frame it may start going up. By US time frame again I may see going up. But yeah, as of now, you touch the premium zone. So yeah, so it is there is no proper direction, right? If you have a difference of opinion within the same indicator, price pulse is not giving a proper picture. If you see beta algo, beta is telling that it can go up. You have a green line here, you have a red line here. So in this also, right, your beta is telling upside, this one is telling downside. And then within T1, this is telling no, this is T2. T2 indicator is still right. The top portion is telling it can go up. The bottom one is telling it can go down. So there is no proper confidence. And this is telling sell signal. So when you don't get the confidence, better you avoid it. Yeah, more chances for it to drop. But here you have green. Here you have red. Here you have red. Yeah, it is not able to break this resistance. That entry is always a strong resistance. Only when it breaks that resistance, it can go to the top. But yeah, such scenarios when things are giving different opinion or different, you don't see a proper confidence. Your EMA200 is acting as strong resistance. Your cloud is red. You have a red triangle, a red background. More chances for it to come, touch this, and then bounce back. So yeah, we want to avoid the risk. So you can ignore that signal or because there are so many other tickers, other opportunities when you don't have the proper compliance. So in my personal account, it is making this profits. Mm. Stop loss concept in your personal account, so you can hold it. This is your strong resistance, 38,720. And when you have three targets, it doesn't mean that always it will fill all the three targets. If you see a strong resistance here, you take profits in target two itself. Don't wait for target three because it might touch that and drop. Right? This is your resistance one. If it breaks that resistance, it goes to the resistance two. This is resistance three, or actually you have one more resistance in between. So this is resistance three, this is resistance four. So if you see three targets, don't think that always price will go right. If in the morning time, if you see a lot of volume, maybe it will complete all the three targets. And always you can use this point. I can use as my stop loss. This will be your target. Yeah, it is little risky trade. This is EMA 200, the strong resistance. Because of just RRR strategy. Your cloud is red. You got a triangle, red background. You took it, but yeah, your trend is green. Probably to hit the stop loss. Yeah, this is like a bad example of that is how generally we use. Hit the stop loss. So no, it's a bad trade. You explained right. We we have a difference of complaints. If we take the trade, with another $100 plus target. And I hope you're seeing like why we took the trade. Like complete confidence here, complete confidence here, here. They did a pullback, right? You can see the trend. It gave a pullback, then touched this line, went up. Again, it went up, gave a pullback, again went up. So price pulse, perfect confidence. Your T2, perfect confidence. You have green here, you have green here. Your beta algo is telling that it will go to 620, 680. You have confidence. Price pilot showing, right? And gave a buy signal. So like that, when we have a confluence between multiple, then right, you can either check price pilot or price pulse. You don't need both. But when you have confluence between top trend, beta algo, and this T2, that is good enough. If I check T1 indicator, you can see that we have a buy at the top of the cloud, and it is showing green cloud later. It means there is a high possibility for price to go further up. So any sell at bottom is good. Any buy above this one is good. But again, it has more potential to go up. Whenever again there is a pullback, we can enter one more time. Like that, we can take multiple profits on NKD. So you saw three examples where we had a nice confidence between two or three indicators. We made quick $150 profits. We took one bad trade where there was no proper confidence. We had to take the stop loss. Right? So that's it. When you're trading stocks or options, anything, the strategy is same. You look if all of them are giving the similar opinion or similar trend. If you see that all are giving a similar trend, then you can confidently enter the trade. As I told, my personal account is making huge profits. Right? I held the 10Q because we know that the $300 I can easily recover from this and carry trade. But yeah, you can see like where we make common mistake is we generally go with one. And that's what I did with NQ trade. We did not look at, or I looked at, but again, still I took the risk. I know it is a risky trade. I took the risk, and I had to pay the penalty for taking the risk. Right. In the personal account, NKD made over 300 plus dollars just with one contract. Right. So I hope you're getting it right. Where we commonly make mistakes is when we just go with the one. Right. It's okay even if we lose, if we take little bit late, but you can quickly look at. It won't take much time. You just enable, disable, because if you keep all of them at same time, it might be too much. Sometimes we might be lucky, right? Even when you look with one, it might go well. But when you look toward three and you get a confidence, there your confidence will be much higher. You can go with a big position size, or you can confidently stay in the trade. Generally, right, if you want day trading, 5 minutes is the best one. But before 5 minutes, right, before you take a trade, you just watch what is in 30 minutes, what is happening in the higher time frame. In higher time frame, it is in a buy signal. Then you can confidently in the 5 minutes, you can take buy signals. Whenever you see a buy in the 5 minutes, you can take the buy signals. So if you tomorrow you want to buy some stock, MDB or something, you see like what is in the 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if it is in the sell, but here the sell is also not, right, it is in the green background. This is not a proper strong sell. For example, here you have a buy green background, buy green triangle. It moved all the way from $32 to $43. It was in the same. Now, whenever you see a buy signal in 5 minutes, this one was a good one. Now let us take GameStop. You got a buy green triangle, buy green cloud, green background. Whenever you have a buy in 30 minutes, then you can go to 5 minutes and then keep on taking the buy. So 30 minutes for your planning, 5 minutes for your actual execution. If we do that, then yeah, you won't miss out. You won't be taking any risk. You won't go against the trend. Again, if it gives a pullback, again we can, if it comes here and you see a green candle, one more time we can enter. Again, it can go till minimum until, so this is like your, so until as long as the price is above this green line, that means that that stock is bullish, that instrument is bullish. If it comes, touch this, and then starts again going up, again you can enter long. As of now, there are no bears nearby. You can also see there are a lot of green fair value gaps. That means there are more and more buyers. Whenever you see these green ones, that will give you confidence to stay in the trade for longer time. Or when it is dropping, if you see the red ones, that means there are more sellers. If price comes and touch this will act as a resistance. Again, it will pull the price down. And again, when it is going up, when price comes down, this fair value gap will push the price to the top. Here also, it did not go below the line, right? The price stayed on the line, then it went up. If price goes below the line, then that means that bullishness is over now. If you see something below the line, then basically you can take a stop loss or you can close the long position. And these pullbacks will help you for a re-entry. If you missed the initial entry somewhere here, you got a buy signal, you missed this entry. It went all the way up, gave a pullback, but again you got a green candle, right? This is acting as a support. It went up. Again you got a pullback. It went up. So for example, now again if it comes here, but if it is not going below this line, then again I can enter one more time. This is a strong resistance for NKD. Until that point of time, there is a high possibility for NKD to move up. Wait for the candle close. As of now, 901. So at 905, if it drops below this line, then it can go down. By 905, if you see a green candle, then it can continue to go up. Because it already moved nearly 300-400 points. There might be a small pullback. Then again, it will continue. The body should be completely below the line. As of now, still it is touching the line. Again, it is trying to. This line is acting as a strong support. Never. By mistake, I clicked it twice there. It's like to contracts. So, it should move on.
connection lost. Market data connection re-established. Trading connection lost. Market data connection lost. Market data connection lost. Trading connection re-established. Market data connection re-established.
Okay. Again, right, if we wait, it can still go up. But yeah, because it's already late. So again, the reason why we held that, as you know, most of you know about when the background is green, your triangle is green, right? Your cell is generally right. For example, if you got a red triangle or red background, that cell can stay for more time. Otherwise, generally, the cell is very short, right? This is telling that still there is a lot of bullish momentum. So that's why your swing cloud is still blue. So there was little more pullback, and then we also have our entry at 560. That means this is a strong support, right? When it is going from the bottom, this will act as a resistance. But once price is above this, if it comes back to this price, again this will act as strong support, push the price to the top. So I kept a stop loss below this entry price. If it breaks this price and comes below, then I wanted to take stop loss. So because the background is green, the triangle is green, we still have GGG strategy. Everything right, the trend was green, because of which I held on to the trade, because by mistake I took two. So first one I took small profit, second one I took $150 profit. Again, you can also see it's also forming the fair value gaps. Came down and then so again, what is that which gave us more confidence? Because when we started, we went and saw in 30 minutes, right? It is in a buy. This is green. This is green. So there is a high possibility for it to minimum go to 38,700 or it can go to 38. So because you have a plan, right? This is our planning phase. Before you actually execute the trades, you go to a higher time frame, see like, okay, is it in uptrend or is it in a downtrend in the higher time frame? Always multiply. If you want to execute trades in 5 minutes, then minimum multiply it by 5 or 6. So 30 minutes. So always look in 30 minutes for your planning. It is in a buy. It is in a uptrend. It came to the bottom, then started going up. So there is a high possibility minimum we can see here, or it can go all the way to 38,840. So that is our high level plan, right? This is like a top down approach. You always look at a higher time frame, see like what is happening in the higher time frame, then go to the lower time frame. So even though there is a small pullback, I know that, right? Always your higher time frame candles have more strength compared to a lower time frame candles. So now, even though there is a small pullback, but because the cloud was green, the triangle was green, the trend was green. If I got a red triangle or red background, I would have closed it. But because everything else was green, the overall planning wise, I know that it has much more potential to go up. So I held on to the trade, waited, and then took the profit. You won't get panic. So you spend that 1 minute and try to before you take any trade, stocks or options also. Once you see like okay what is happening in the higher time frame, then you won't get panic even if suddenly it starts going down, because you know that overall on a higher time frame it is bullish. Swing trading, how to change price pulse line, color red and green. This is not the price pulse line. This is coming from the TI2. So if you disable that, so that is showing at the top and also at the bottom. Price Pilot is also for monthly users. Swing trading, right? You can always use 15 minutes or 30. When you, for example, you take trades on 15 minutes, you look in the 1 hour time frame for your planning purpose. You see like, okay, what is 1 hour? 1 hour is in the buy. So you can take trades in the 15 minutes. You can, for planning, you use, or you want to take trades in 1 minute, then use 5 minutes for your planning purpose. The 5 minutes it is in a buy. Then in the 1 minute, always look for the buy signals. If 5 minutes is in the sell, always look for sell in the 1 minute. Like that. If you are taking trades in 5 minutes, your planning should be in 30 minutes. If you are taking trades in 10 or 15, your planning should be in 1 hour. If you are taking swing trades, right, for long term, where you want to buy some stock, hold it, then you hold it for a few weeks. Then you watch it in 30 minutes. Your planning should be in maybe, right, approximately 4 hours. So you check in 4 hours. For example, let us go to, let us take some stock like Apple. You can also change these ones based on if you are looking for a higher time frame. You can go to price pulse. You can change instead of 135. You can put 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily, like that. So in 4 hours, it is in a buy signal, right? It is in a uptrend. It touched a $1.69 million buy order block. Your cloud is green. Your cloud swing cloud is blue. Day trading is green. It is in the uptrend. It is in a buy signal. So it is not clear. You can expand it. So you know, initially there was a sell, then there is a buy. It went up. Again, touch the cloud. Cloud acting as support. Again, it is going up. So tomorrow you may see much higher. So now 4 hours, you know that it is very bullish. It is in a buy. Now you go to 1 hour, and whenever you get a buy signal in 1 hour, you take the trades. For example, tomorrow we may see a buy signal. Right? You got a sell, but again the cloud is green, so it is a small pullback. Tomorrow Apple may go to 233, 234. So multiply by 4 or 5 and then use that for the planning purpose. If whenever this is in the buy, always your 1 hour, 30 minutes, look for the buy signals, take the calls. You can hold for 1 week, 2 weeks like that. Right? But there it won't go just straight. It will go up, suddenly it will go down. Again, next day it will go up. You have to, there will be some up and downs. You have to wait with patience. But it can, Apple can go to 235, 236, maybe tomorrow or maybe on Monday. We can see 235, 239 because it is a 4 hour. So every candle is 4 hours. The next candle, right? It went up, small pullback. Again, it is going up. Tomorrow, Apple is looking good for calls. In 4 hours, Tesla is in a sell signal. So if you want to take Tesla trades, go to 1 hour. Whenever you see a sell signal, you take only sell. Unless 4 hours become a buy, until that time you will only be on the bearish side on Tesla. Nvidia was a buy. There was a pullback. Again, EMA 200 is acting as a support. Tomorrow, we may see Nvidia going back up. So this is where it can go to $130 in next coming few days. As of now, it is looking bullish. These are little bearish, but there is a high possibility because EMA 200 acts as a strong support. Right? Price tried to come down, EMA 200 took it up. Again tried to come down, again it took it up. So this is acting as a strong support. Whenever something is below EMA 200, they are generally good for short opportunities. You got to sell in coins. You will look for the sell opportunities until it. So as of now, your clouds are red below EMA 200. So coin can go further down, right? So this is a strong support. If coin comes to this 165 area, it can go up again. And EMA 200 is acting as a strong support. So 19680 is a strong resistance. Whenever price yesterday it went there, it dropped all the way. Again today it moved up. Again you sell order block, it dropped all the way. Right? Tomorrow again it may go there. Again I may see a drop. If in case if it breaks that, it will drop from this. So even before you trade, you can see these levels. Right? Based on if you are a swing trader, you see it in 4 hours. If you are a day trader, see it in 30 minutes or 1 hour. So even before you take the trades, you know where it can drop. So for example, 19680 is a very strong resistance. So you put it on a notes or somewhere. Whenever it touches that, immediately, right? Today during Europe or until tomorrow morning, we may see it going up. Tomorrow morning sometime, maybe first 15-20 minutes, it might be bullish and then it will start dropping. So if you take time to do that planning, that will help you. You know that, okay, right, this is my 30 minutes, right? You may get a buy, right? As of now, it is sell, it is trying to bounce back. You will get a buy. So whenever your 30 minutes is in a buy, you can always go to 5 minutes, take only the buy signals. And you can be confident until it hits this 680 range. Once it hits close to 660, 670, then you don't take any more long trades, right? Because that is where you have a strong resistance. Then it will drop all the way back. In case if there are a lot of buyers, a lot of bullish momentum, if it breaks that, then you have your next resistance somewhere around 840. So like that, if you can put your levels even before you take the trades, you can put some levels like this. Right? You have indicators, but even for example, you miss the indicators. You are trading in 5 minutes. You will have those lines for you. You know that whenever price is coming towards that line, you know that okay, price can break from here, price can drop from here, like that. So same thing, go to 1 hour. This is like strong support, right? Yesterday it tried to drop, it bounced back, again dropped, bounced back. So this is like a strong support. This is your strong resistance. So if price comes here, it can again go back up. If price goes here, it will drop. So even before you start taking the trades, if you go to your right, if you are taking trades on 5 minutes or 10 minutes, go to 30 minutes or 1 hour and plot your levels. You know that oh, this is a strong support. So if price comes here, you can go long, you can buy calls, you can buy options on futures, you can buy options on stocks, you can make money. It's same thing, even with these futures also, you can make nice profits. So yeah, every day if you take 5 minutes and go to right, you are planning right. If you are trading in 5 minutes, go to 30. If you are trading in 30 minutes, go to 4 hours. If you are trading in 1 hour, go to 6 hours. If you are trading in 1 minute, go to 5 minutes and plot these levels. Right, this is like a strong support level. Just go here, draw the line. This is like my strong resistance where right, it went there, dropped, went there, dropped, went there, dropped. So there can be a lot of sell orders pending there. If price goes there, you will see a big drop tomorrow. So yeah, if we follow that few guidelines, then yeah, you will be successful in trading. You'll be right, or you won't get panic if you see right. We know that NKD or NQ can go all the way till here tomorrow. Not during Europe hours. There is a high possibility. This is acting as a strong support, and then price is going up. Again, you already have indicators, but if you have a mental right in your mind also, if you have an idea that okay, this is where my strong support is, this is where my strong resistance is, or this is where my huge sell order block is, right? This is where my 30 minutes, this is right, it is going up, it came down, that's the support going up. So that means you will try to mainly look for the buy signals. If it goes here and you see some red candle, then you will only look for sell signals. Like that, you won't be in the opposite side of the trend. And always your higher time frame is like your guide. You just look in the higher time frame, then take the trades in lower time frame. You will be successful. Right? You can enable long only on Prism, or you can do one or two micros on MNQ. Most probably, we will see. You can put your target somewhere around this 680. By tomorrow, we may see 680 either during Europe hours it may reach, or once US market opens, first 15 minutes it will be bullish, and then again it may start dropping. So that's why end of the day we took bull put spreads for tomorrow. Same thing if you see YM. There is a huge sell order block here. So you can always put a alert. Right? Okay, whenever it comes somewhere here, you send me an alert. Or you can click here and say draw horizontal line at 41,638. So whenever you see this line, you will remember that oh there is something important, right? Maybe once it goes another 20, 30 points, there is a huge sell order block. So tomorrow YM will go touch that point, and then again there will be a big drop. Just like today it went all the way up. Maybe it touched that 680, and then there was a big drop. Again it will go up. Tomorrow morning we'll see a big drop again. So like that, yeah. Before the market open, if you can look at ES, YM, ES, and also same thing, right? Even you don't have any indicators, right? Let us say you don't have indicators. Indicators will help you, right? That will give you more confidence that you can also see there are a lot of sell orders here, sell orders here. So, right, you should not go long above this one, but you know that there is a strong point. You go there, a horizontal line. Whenever price goes touch that, there will be a big drop from that area. So once ES drops, then all your major stocks, Apple, everything will drop. So Apple also will go to 234, 236 tomorrow. If you look at Apple, you see nearly everything follows the similar trend. Right, Apple went to 233. Tomorrow it may go to 233, or if it goes to 236, that is the best thing. Right, there is a huge seller. You can immediately buy the puts. You will make nice 50-60% profits or more. You have a previous month high here, 379,000, 739,000. So tomorrow, most probably, it will break this resistance. If there are no sell orders here, it will go touch this or this, and then there will be a big drop. When Apple drops, then your ES also will drop. ES also will go here. While Apple goes up, ES also will go up. If ES breaks this, then it may go all the way till 5720 or 5680. So if there are more buyers, it can go all the way till 5620. But yeah, you better be on the long side until here. Once it reaches close to this one, better you look for the short opportunities or Wait until this, right? If it goes here, then the perfect opportunity. You can make nice profits. Like that, if you note down the levels, right? You put 10-15 minutes, right? It won't take more than 5-10 minutes for you to go to 30 minutes, look at the levels, and then yeah, you can either draw a line or you can write in a notebook that okay, this is where there is a huge order block. This is where you already have it, but if you know it, then you won't go against the trend. There is a hype, right? These are magnets, so price will go there. Price will touch this or touch this, and then again drop. So you have to be mainly look for long until this or until this. Once it touches this, you have to only look for the short opportunities. Like that, whichever you want to trade. If you want to trade ES or YM or NQ or Apple or Nvidia or Tesla, whatever it is, you do that, and then you will be you won't get panic when you take the trades. You know that you will make, right. Today also we bought the puts, but again it moved a little bit up. But we know that there is a huge sell order block, it will come down. So we made profits on the upside, we made profits on the downside. Again we sold 417. So tomorrow again those 417 it will go back, it will make profits. Again it will come down. When it touches it, then you sell the calls. When it is going up, you sell the puts. So you can make profits on both the sides. As I said, NKD, right? This is your level, 38,845, right? Even if you switch it off, I know that this is where it can go. So until that time, I'll try to be on the long side. Once it touch this, I'll try to be on the short side. So 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is creating higher highs, went up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So creating higher highs, higher highs. So highs will not just go in one way, right? Went up, some small pullback went up, small pullback went up, small pullback went up. It will there'll be some small pullback. Until which point it will continue to do that? Until this point, it will be doing those waves, right? And then once it touches this, then again the structure will break. Then it will start dropping. Then it will start making lower lows. Uh, and then you will go here and you will continue to take the long trades in 1 minute or 5 minutes or but yeah, basically if we follow that approach, you will be more successful and you won't get panic when you see the trade suddenly going other side. Or you can always go with micros, right? Wherever possible. If you see ES, MES, you know that overall it is in the bullish trend. You take two MES, go long only. By tomorrow, it can make some nice profits, right? Unless there is some sudden bad news overnight, which is very rare during Europe time frame or Asia market. Seeing the GC. If you see GC, it went all the way up, touched the previous day high, then it is in the downtrend. So you look for the short signals. Whenever it comes to this area or you see a major buy order block, then you will try to be in the long trades. Yeah. Until it goes to this area, better or it should break the structure. As of now, it is in a downtrend. For example, you see a candle which will go above one of the previous candles, then it is, as of now, it is forming lower close. And if one of the candles goes up, then the structure will be broken and it can go up. As of now, it is still in the downtrend. Maybe it will touch. Right? This is a strong support. Touched it, went up, came back, went up. So there is a high possibility for it to come here and then start going up. So this is your strong support area. Once it comes here, then you look for the long opportunities. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So yeah, before taking trades, we'll start doing that. So you'll understand. Yeah, good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.